Okay, Tita Veronica, kamusta ka? Ate Aida? Okay, kailangan ha? Kung ano po yung gagawin ng ating mga kids, kailangan gagawin nyo rin. Everybody close your eyes and let's do the countdown 10 to 1. Pag sinabi ni Kuya Sunny na go, pwede nang tanggalin ang cover ng inyong eyes and find your shoes. Is that clear, kids?
Yes!
Okay, wow, dahil palang bata. Okay, everybody, let's start the shoe hunting relay in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, mga manduluga pong nanay, mamaya na po kayo kumali. 7! Ah, kumali. 5! Sorry naman tita, patawarin mo. 4! 3! Yes, kuya, ano tinitingnan? 2! And 1! See what you really go! Okay, tama na po. Gusto ko, tama na? Tama na mga nanay? Mabili na ba yung ano niya? Hindi pa nakasuot. Pinaliit. Masabi ang manalo. O, Ate Nadine? Are you okay? Wow. You're ready. Gawawa naman si Mami. Okay, we already have our 2-week nurse. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining to our game. At sa mga hindi po nanalo, makakauwi na po kayo. Baka hindi po, mamaya po meron pa tayong game. And lahat po rin tayo kasali, kaya please go back to your forward seat. And later on, we're going to proceed to our second game. And mga mommies and daddies, please be ready because we're... Yes, Nadine?
I have empty in my book.
I'm sorry?
What do they understand?
What is it?
Empty.
Andy, what is Andy? Ah, you have candy. Oh. Oh. Yeah.